don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavens Wetu TV. It's the Petway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 3, Marumo Kala 0. I'm joined by P55.
Yay!
Hola, Steve.
My brother, today we are celebrating.
We're celebrating what?
We are celebrating the league, my brother.
Is it gone?
The league is gone.
It's done.
But the culture if you can. Bon, Steve. Kajenu, can celebrate.
Sure.
One salwan.
Yeah.
Like everything kira happy, my brother.
Yes.
One salwan,
Yes.
why is it more?
Yeah.
But it's not all about the size.
Yeah.
It's all about the quality.
No, any quality.
The quality, brother.
We can pay.
To celebrate Babe Day Yaga Praia Carbon.
Yes.
Nearly 3 days, 2 days,
Back.
1 day,
Yeah.
back.
Yeah.
That's Sophie exact date.
Yes.
Mara, this is my birthday month.
Yes.
One salon.
Yes.
So ke tlhake le Orlando Praia.
Sure.
Ke tlhake Shiana.
Sure.
Ba mputse rona o mo
Hey.
Pitori one salon.
Sure.
Ke re mara o no re ka sekolo re nta palle re go fitlha ba bona.
Yeah.
So today,
Yeah.
I just want to celebrate le machita
Yeah.
le ntwana tsa ka kaofela bona
Yeah.
ke ba reketse keke
Yeah.
ke reketse le keke
Yeah.
go tle celebrate
Yeah.
re tle re so league is on my list
Makosi arita
Kacheni, it was the practice match. Yes, for Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
Sundowns were winning 2-0.
Yeah.
We winning 3-0.
Yeah.
So it's 3 points,
Yeah.
3 goals.
Yes.
Yes. We are cruising.
Nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, Papa Champagne mo.
Very pop.
Yeah, Papa Champagne.
Okay, Pepe. Oh, Pepe.
You akika. You. Ana media kana hlelentshala ka champagne.
So kacheni
Ngrekela veve.
ya pop.
Sipavinga.
Kya
No. Veve ino again. Again, mara veve kwa tuiti. I understand.
To Orlando Pirates. Cheers to Orlando Pirates. Cheers to Rebelo Mufokeng.
Yes.
Man of the match.
Yes.
3 times consecutive.
Yes. Cheers, my friend. Cheers, my friend.
Bafana baba ibulentwana ke mfana
Yeah. Bong nisari ntshotedi.
55
Asibona ke tlala.
ibulentwana
Bula boy.
ibulentwana sai tsholo sai wi aka tshwara
No, this is a quality. Bona sana senya kei.
Yetsa mkono yetsa.
Ai,
Orange ka matsoho.
I would like to say congratulations to Orlando Pirates. Congratulations to our coach, Mbutuma.
Yeah.
I like to say to him, my boy, keep on the good work.
Yeah. Yeah.
Keep on the good work.
Yeah.
Our coach,
Yeah.
keep on the good work.
Yeah.
Kaofela di planets tsa rona ke rata re bo botlhe ba tshwara ka mkhweleng ka teng.
Yeah.
So ka tseno re 3 point.
Sure.
Re setse ka team tse pedi.
Yeah.
Ke Sundowns le Kaizer Chiefs.
Sure.
So ka tseno we were practicing.
Yes.
Ke tsela mouth.
Yeah.
And then bone re kopotse ntho nga mafello.
Yeah.
Rena we are Orlando Pirates.
Sure.
We won't make that mistake or re na le 13 points.
Yeah.
Re le mo number 1 tot ba re tsene league ka last game.
Yes.
Re Orlando Pirates.
Chiefs.
We won't do such a thing.
Yes.
One line. Gona bene Kaizer Chiefs ba re ya leadiwa ka 2-1.
Yeah.
But I just wish them all the luck.
Yeah.
One line. I don't have a problem with them.
Yeah.
May them prosper.
Yeah.
Ba continue ba go pele.
Yeah.
One line because of I mean like if they are in Africa,
Yeah.
but represent one
Yeah,
line.
yeah,
So I don't have a problem with them.
That's right.
Mara re le mo high.
Yeah.
Then I have a problem with them.
Baba.
Mara ba le go ntle I don't have a problem with them.
Yeah.
Aba prosper ba go pele ba go group staging and then well done to Mamelodi Sundowns again
Yeah.
for going to the group stages.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.